Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rahilu and this channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of healing. Before I start this video, let's take a moment and hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna give you a second. You got it? I bet. Also, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is _RAHILOU. Just a little background. So I've been working from home for the last month. Well, since quarantine started, I've been working from home. And I usually work on my bed because honestly I do everything on my bed, and I started to get back pain, so because of that I ordered a desk for my room. That prompted a whole series of me just redecorating my room and moving things around, and so today I'm going to show you guys how I got that. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Because I spend so much time home, I wanted to take the time out to transform this place and make it somewhere that I want to sit in and work at all day. So that was my goal. So the decor from my room was really inspired by just like a calm, boho chic situation. I don't like a lot of colors. I don't like a lot of colors in my space. So a lot of the things that I bought was just like white, wood, and a little bit airy. So come on, let me take you guys around and show you how I transformed my room. So here is my room. When you walk in, the first thing you see is the bed. I got this comforter from Target. I felt that my room was a little too plain and white, so I wanted to get something that would add a pop of color to it. And it's velvet and it's really, really soft. I also have this wall shelf. I also got this from Target. It is my wall shelf with pictures of all my homies. That's my homie Kareem. There's Tahiri right there, Khadijah, that's my sister. I just wanted to create kind of a space where, you know, when I wake up, I see the people that I love, so that's there. And then when you turn this way, I have my dresser. And on this dresser, I have my rings here. I have the Quran, you know, it's Ramadan, so when I wake up in the middle of the night, sometimes I want to read, I could just easily grab that. I have some fresh flowers to add a pop of color to the room. I have my perfume, my candle. I don't know what to call this, but I think it's called the prayer bead jiggity wall. That's what you call it. I have that there. This is my dresser right here. So this is what we have. And then when we turn to this corner of the room, this is my workspace. I don't know if you guys tuned into my IG live, but if you did, you saw that I broke my chair on IG live. I literally fell on the floor. And so I had to buy a whole new chair. So that prompted this whole situation right here. I got a work desk. And so this is where I work now. It's still hard to get up out of this comfortable bed and get up and work here. But this is really cool. It's called a ladder desk. And so you have a desk here where you can do your work. This also doubles as my makeup station. I have all my brushes here on the side. And then I keep my makeup in here. So when I need to do my makeup, I can just do my makeup, and if I need to get my work done, I can sit here and get my work done. So I love pastel colors. I don't really like too many colors, so my accent colors for this room is this blush pink and this green. So I got these from Target, which is what I went to Target for in my last video, and I got these fake plants, and I also got this one with these plants, but they have a little pink to them. I also got this from Target. So actually this whole room is sponsored by Target, honestly. It's not sponsored, but Target should sponsor me because everything in here is from Target. But I got this from Target as well. It's also fake, it's not real. And I got this plant, which I've had for 3 years now. So I still haven't named them, so I have to think of names, but this plant does have a name. This plant's name is Mariama. So there's that. Comment down below and let me know what you think I should name this plant, and I have a couple of other plants in the back as well. I also added this photo right here, which was painted by my best friend, Akara Charles, and she gifted me this for my birthday, and it's really, really cool. And it has a beautiful message in the back, so I decided to add that there as well. And this is actually a poster from a concert that I worked a while back with Red Bull, And I just love this illustration, and I thought it would be cool to add it around here as well. And then up here we have a photo of me, which I think I'm going to move. I've just been lazy to do it because honestly I don't want to climb up there, but I'm definitely going to move it over here. And I'm also going to get some art to put right above my bed. So if you're an artist and you know any artists, please comment down below and let me know. I'm looking to buy some art, so I would love to buy your art, so let me know. So now we move to my clothing rack. And I got this rack from Home Depot, and it's really cute. It has this thing where you can hang your bag or you can hang your towel. It also has this extra shelf right here where you can put your stuff. And so I got these shoes from Urban Outfitters. I really love the box, and I think the box kind of matches the decor of my room, so I just never took them out the box. I just decided to leave them there. Underneath that I have a bin. I have my prayer mat right there, my bags, and then I have all my hijabs that I need. Now we have my mirror, and this is me and my work from home outfit. And I also got this mirror from Target, right? Target's been holding it down. I'm telling y'all, Target is the place to go if you're looking for good decor that's not too expensive, that could still spruce it up. So with this mirror, you have the option to stand it up. I just leaned it against the wall because I don't want to chance anything, and also because it gives me more space so that I can actually pull out my chair and do what I need to do. But for the most part, everything in my room is from either Target, Home Depot, or Amazon. So this shelf right here is from Amazon. My chair is from Home Depot. All of these items, my decor items, are from Target. I got this rack from Home Depot, and I also have some stuff from IKEA. So I got this I don't even know what to call it. This bin right here is from IKEA. I got my watch from IKEA, and I also got this mirror from IKEA. This is thrifted because, you know, I love thrifting. My lamp is from Home Depot, and then that's from Target. This is from Target, and then my plant holders are from Amazon. So the last section of my room is this situation right here, and this is supposed to be the place where I leave all my books. I don't have a bookshelf, and I don't have space for a bookshelf, so I took an old this is an old, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's probably so bright right now, but this is an old shoe rack that I took, and I just kind of like found something to do with it. So I have all my books. This plant needs a name, and that plant also needs a name. So we have 3 plants that need names. So if you guys could comment down below and let me know what you think I should name my plants, that would be lit. So we have Mariama, this one needs to be named, this one needs to be named, and that one needs to be named. But in this section I just have my speaker. This is a Crosby speaker, which also one of my friends got me. Cassie got me this for my birthday. Cassie's my friend from college. Shout out to my friends, yo, they're really fire. So this is my speaker. So this bag right here, I think it's actually older than me. It's my mother's bag, and she gave it to me, and I'm like, you know, maybe I can use it as decor. I still don't know what's happening with this section. I feel like this section needs a little bit more work and organization, but it's just a good way to take out all the clutter from my room and just keep all my books and the things that I don't use every day on here. But that's pretty much it. This is my room, and this is me and my work from home fit, sponsored by Dreams Clothing. Shout out to my cousin for sending me this hoodie. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I love this space. It has green, it has textures. It's my safe haven, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I can stay in this room forever. Like, I can stay here for 5 days and not go outside because it's just so comfortable and cozy. And I'm gonna give you guys some tips on how to maximize a small space. So first, let's talk about color. So when you're picking decor from your room and you want it to feel bigger, you want to think light colors. So in my bedroom, my primary colors are white and off-white, and then I accented it with the green. So I have all this green right here, and then I have all the green plants right behind me, and I also accented it with gold. So you have the gold thing right behind me right here, and then my shelf over there is also gold. And then I added a pop of color. So the pop of color for me is my bed sheet right here. So the pop-up color for me is my bed sheet, but I picked something in the earth tone family that is warm, that adds a little bit of a vibe. So now let's talk about texture, right? The texture is in my room. I have this velvet right here, and then I have a lot of wood. So you see my rack has like white and wood. My mirror right here, which you can see, also has some wood to it. So my second tip is to pick furniture that's multifunctional, right? So for example, I have this rack behind me right here. This serves as my desk, my makeup station, and it can also be my shelf, and it also doubles as my YouTube channel background, right? So I'm able to get 4 things out of this one thing right here that I purchased. So I think that's really important because it helps you maximize your space. All right, so another thing in my room that's multifunctional is my clothing rack. So my clothing rack has a space for me to obviously hang my clothes, but then it has that extra hook for me to be able to hang anything that I want. So I was able to hang my bag. This shelf, you can also hang stuff around it. So on the website, it gives you the option to, you can like fold your shirts or your pants and hang them in each one of these right here. So you can hang them in each one of these hooks right here. So it's really dope. But that's pretty much all for today. So I'm going to link all the items that I have in my room in the description box below. So if you're interested in purchasing these items for yourself, it'll be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, comment down below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing how I organize my closet, how I organize my room, let me tell y'all something. I have a lot of stuff in this room, but because of the way I've been able to organize it, you can't tell because everything feels so small. So if you're interested in seeing how I've been able to organize my room, let me know. I can do a video on that. Also, if you like this video, make sure you like it and subscribe to this channel so that more people can see this video and we can, you know, continue to create beautiful and dope spaces for everybody. Y'all, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.